We are live in the Monster Truck War Arena on this glorious Sunday afternoon, and the heat is on in this 10th edition of the World Racing Championship with 2 million fans jam-packed in the arena. We welcome you to the Clash of Giants! I am Little Red Car, and joining me today is Little Pink Car.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The rules of this championship are quite simple. The monster truck that wins this match is that warrior who puts his opponent into the dust.
Introducing first from the Valley of Death, weighing in at 3,000 pounds, is Muertos.
Coming in second from deep within the wilderness, weighing in at 3,800 pounds, is Ryno.
And next in line is a first-time challenger with no previous race experience and just barely qualifying as a monster truck is Sparrow. Looks like the newbie hasn't shown up for the race. Lou, how does it look down there?
It looks like we have a no-show, sir. But his coach is right here. Dan! Dan! Come in, Coach Dan!
Lou!
Where is your contender, Coach Dan? Where is Sparrow?
He's going to be here, Lou. He's just held up somewhere. He's on his way, I'm sure.
Okay, Dan. Another 5 minutes. That's all that Sparrow has. The show must go on.
5 minutes is just...
I'm here, Dan. I'm ready.
Sparrow! Oh my God! What happened? You're hurt!
No, I'm perfectly all right. Just a little scratch, that's all. I'm going to win. Don't worry, Dan.
Sparrow, you can barely walk. Don't be silly. We're going to give this one a pass. There will be more races. There seems to be some massive confusion in the arena. Let's go to Lou to get the latest update.
Reporting from the arena. It seems like Sparrow will not be participating in the race after all.
Not participating? In this stage of the competition, this is unheard of.
Unheard of? It is scandalous! Giving up already, Sparrow? You're never going to be built for this, you little... Hey, what's going on here? Why don't you pick on someone your own size? And who is that, may I ask? You? Yes, me! Why not? Are you the one that's afraid now? Afraid? You are in the arena, Dan. Look around you. I don't think you are ready to be picked on just yet. The arena? Yes, Dan. Race with us. If you win, we leave Sparrow alone. But if you lose, you stop coaching cars forever.
Okay, he'll do it. Come on, Dan. You're better than I can ever be. Only you can win this race, Dan.
But...
You know you can do it, Dan. You have to do it for all of us. You have to do it for me. And most of all, you have to do it for yourself, Dan.
Oh, all right. Okay, I'll do it.
We have a weird situation, sir. Dan will be participating for the match instead of Sparrow.
A replacement.
This is exciting! Ladies and gentlemen, your third contender today is a surprise participant from Monster Truck Town, weighing a mere 2,000 pounds, is Monster Dan!
Quite a mixed response from the audience on this change. And now, introducing the most extraordinary warrior, the ultimate champion, the 8th wonder of the world, the one and only Tatanka! Recently upgraded with double armored wheels and a 3-liter engine, This monster truck is surely a force to be reckoned with.
With a horsepower of 500 bph, this monster truck is the wild beast of this race. He's the American wild bison. His name is truly the only thing that is great in the world of racing.
There is none that is greater than him. The other participants have to only aim at beating him. The Clash of Clans is the clash against Tatanka.
Look at him. He's ready to tear down the house.
Wow! Lay your bets, ladies and gentlemen. The race is just about to begin.
Monster trucks ready? Get! Set! Go!
And they're off! A fast start for these monster trucks.
It looks like Dan is battling for the early lead.
They're going back and forth. What a race! As they round the turn, there's Dan trying to catch up to the other monster trucks.
What a beautiful day for a race as they come around the far turn.
And they're through the first lap. Dan trying to find some room to get ahead. Tough going here for Dan so far. And they're coming around the corner.
What a close race so far!
Can Monster Truck Dan do it? Team Dan spinning out. Oh, the crowd is very concerned. But wait, he's getting back in the race.
What an exciting race!
He's starting to make another move.
It's not over for Monster Truck Dan. Time for some of the trucks to make a pit stop. Look at that fast action from the pit crew. And he's back in the race.
Here's another one coming in for a tire change.
One by one, they're coming in to get refueled and retired. And there's Monster Truck Dan coming into the pit.
And he's back on the track.
Trying to make up some ground here as they come around the turn. Over the embankment and through the loop. Wow, I've never seen such an exciting race. Look at them jump!
Oh my!
But Dan makes it over and the crowd goes wild. Back and forth they go, trying to get to the finish line. They're all bunched up. This is one of the closest and most exciting races I've ever seen.
Whoa! Look at that!
Oh my! But Dan leaps over. He's closing in now, making his move. Can Monster Truck Dan do it?
It's a photo finish!
The winner is Monster Truck Dan! How does it feel to win the race, Dan?
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. But none of this would have been possible without Sparrow.
You've got that right. Come, Sparrow.
You got it, folks. Dan and Sparrow, the unexpected winners of the race. The underdogs take it all.
one, Sparrow. But I hope you never fall prey to false confidence again. Always remember, false confidence leads to danger.
Yeah, you're right, Dan. All that hard work has gone to waste.
Not at all, Sparrow. Hard work never goes to waste. You might have missed the battle, but a war is coming, I can tell.
I'm ready, and so is Team Dan!
Dan! Dan! We are the monster trucks. We are the monster trucks.